Because it's like saying some bullshit about speedrun.
Is that you?
Yes, yes.
Why?
Yep.
Wait.
Dixon, yes?
Yeah.
A hacker changed it. Oh my
What?
gosh, what is that? Oh, go to an island, go to an island. There you go, right there.
Is this one?
Yeah, yeah, stop it down. Oh, we have to invade this island.
Yo, Pa, I'm scared. Pa.
Wait, this is like the Spanish American War.
What? Bro.
Spanish American War?
Bro, aren't they like
And
different and shit?
US came
Oh,
to
You're doing way too much now.
nah, bro. Chill out, Pa, because you're
You're
doing the
doing way
most,
too
bro.
uh,
Wait, did
Man, bro, I'm fucking shit.
why?
look at this. I got a gun, bro.
The fuck you shoot me for?
Come here. Why you
Said,
scared, bro?
hey, I'm gonna shoot you. Oh,
Wait, does
oh,
it have a...
brother, fuck you, brother.
Oh, my God. Yo, I'm about to die. Oh. You want that? You want one?
No,
Cup of Joe. Bro, I just got a cup of Joe.
a cup of Joe. You know what a cup of Joe is?
Come.
You don't know what it is?
Come, no?
Come? No, a cup of Joe is fucking coffee.
You fucking
Oh.
fucker. You fucking
Nah,
fuckity fuck.
Ma, be kind to me. Don't be vato, fool. What, is the belly gonna have like a prepubescent baby like built into it so it just speaks to you and it's like, hey, Evan, treat her right and be nice. And you're like, oh, I want to love this dick, bro.
What
What
the
the fuck
fuck
did you just
type of
tell me?
bro? What the fuck type of
3,
Nah, you scary.
3,
Pa,
2,
pa.
1.
Oh,
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
no, 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 no.
bro? You're saluting right now, bro. That's what you're doing.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm playing with the Xbox. Duh.
I said you're saluting.
Hey, where
Bro,
y'all at, Pops? Where y'all
bro,
at?
you can't prank me, bro. I literally have my phone in my hand right now because I'm waiting for it to load.
You're saluting.
Bro, you're doing too much, bro. I'm literally on the game, bro. How would I?
You are saluting.
Yo, oh, that makes sense, bro.
You have been kicked by the experience or moderators. You have been kicked. Reason: oversized avatar item.
Bro, what
What?
cornball?
They really take this shit serious.
Just because I have a big ass backpack? Fuck you.
Evan,
What the
Evan
fuck?
said that shit like a true veterano. He was like, hey, take that shit serious.